What's up, everyone? This is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ad certified marketer. And I have a Google Partner company as well. And we provide different digital marketing solutions from SEO, Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Google Merchant Center account suspensions, restoration. So in this video, I'm going to discuss about Google Ads account suspension and restoration. And here I am again with a new case study regarding a reactivation of a Google Ads suspended account. So because we are a Google partner company and we have a dedicated manager, dedicated support, so which makes us stand out of the rest, and we charge a little bit fees in case if you want to work with us. So here I'm going to show you a case study of another suspended account, so stay with me on this. And just you can see that an email has been received just 21 minutes ago, and your Google Ads account has been reactivated, and your account was temporarily suspended to verify your billing information policy compliance. So yeah, we provide Google Ads account as well. So yeah, it's now reactivated, and so a backend support is very necessary. Let me show you the account as well, so you guys have an idea as well, and you can cross match that as well. So here is an account number. I'm going to write it over here in my merchant, and in my MCC, and I'm going to open MC because we operate various MCCs. So yeah, I'm going to show you over here the account, guys, so you guys can see it. So you guys can see it that the account has been unsuspended. Your account is unsuspended. Your account is suspended and is activated to run ads again. Okay, your Google Ads account can be suspended for many reasons, from billing information to circumventing system to counterfeit, so unacceptable business policies. So yeah, we help companies to determine what kind of a policy violation they are doing, and we help them. Yeah, we even help them in management of the campaigns on SEO, Google Ads, and Facebook. But right now, I'm just talking about Google Ads, and a lot of client faces these issues, and when you see such an error and you get like ratings on what to do on my Google Ads account has been suspended, and what so people looking for help. So which is why this is another case study regarding Google Ads suspension, and because we help companies. So in case if you are want to work with us, you can find the details in the description of this video. Yeah, we are slightly expensive, but quality has a price, and I'm sure you're going to pay for it. And make sure to subscribe to our channel, because in this channel we regularly post on videos, but people knowingly or unknowingly are violating the Google Ads policies, which is why we recommend that to hire us, because most of the people do not know exactly what they are, what kind of a violation they are having, and they just keep on doing applying for restoration, and they get suspended that your account was in violation, still in violation. So to sort out these things, which is why it is always a good idea to hire a professional like us to get your account suspensions sorted out. Once again, thank you for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thank you and bye bye.